2 weeks that we are dealing with the vocabulary part. Yeah, good morning, everyone. So vocabulary part, it consists of antonyms as well as synonyms. Antonyms means opposite. That is what we have seen in the previous week. Okay, how to choose the correct antonym from the option. So even to know the antonym or opposite, we need to know all the synonyms or meanings. Generally, we can figure out the correct antonym. And that is some exercises that we have done last week. And this week, we are dealing with synonyms, as you know. From 2 days, we are dealing with the synonyms chapter. So synonyms chapter also, we have to find out all the options meaning. We have to find the meaning of the sentence rather than just the word meaning. We need to understand the context. That is what I'm saying again and again, because meaning will have different, different aspects when it is used in different kind of sentences and all. So you need to understand that word in that sentence, then you need to understand the options and pick out the correct option which gives out the meaning. So that is how we have dealt with synonyms. We are going to do the remaining exercise as well. I'm randomly taking from 2015 some questions that are for practice. Okay, so I'll be sharing the screen. Initial few questions I'll discuss. Afterwards, I will assign questions to you so that you can find the same. Okay, fine. Over to screen sharing. Please be with me. Don't turn off your video. Don't go anywhere. Pay attention and follow. Okay. Can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we will take from 2014 year question, 2014, 15. These are the previous year asked questions in your NDA exam. So we will take from question number 41. Okay. I'll read it out. We should always try to maintain and promote communal amity. Okay, so it is a big university in Delhi, Amity University. So what is this meaning of amity? Okay, I don't know whether you know the French word amigos. Amigos means what? Who knows the meaning of the word amigos? It's not a base word, is not English. It's a French word, amigos. What do you mean by amigos? Amigo. Amigo matlab kya hai? Pata hai? There are so many hotels, and in Aurangabad there is a
Hello.
hotel called Amigos Kitchen and all this. What do you mean by
Hello.
amigos?
Hi. Oh, hello.
No. Amigo. You have good amigos in Asta. Or who is your best amigo? So what is amigo?
Ma'am,
Amigo.
friends.
Very good. Amigo means friend. Okay. Amigo means, it's a French word. Amigo means friend. All right. So I think amity is also a word that includes in the same family. So let's see the options. Bondage. Bondage means kind of a rishta. Okay. That bonding means always it's connected with relationship. Okay. From 41 to 50 was homework yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nobody has mentioned it except Vedant. Why didn't you tell me? Fine. Let me ask that first. Okay, Tanishq, where is your homework? When it was asked, you switch on your video. Wow, nice manners. Aditya, what about you? 41 to 50, agar homework hai to you can read it out one by one. Elroy, have you done it better? No, wonderful. Tanishq, what about you? Okay, Vedant didn't even have a text, but Vedant, did you do that? Anything? Any questions from 41 to 50?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes.
wonderful. So, Vedant, could you please read out a few questions that you have done?
Ma'am, I had done all questions put on the
Okay, so read it out from 41.
we should always try to maintain and promote communal amity means
Communal amity. Huh.
communal amity means friendly relation. I mean,
Okay,
option of first is bondage. It means being tied to.
okay. Bondage means being in a tight relationship. Then,
Contention means angry agreement.
what beta?
Contention,
Means
angry agreement.
angry agreement.
Yes.
Friendship.
Third one is friendship.
Okay,
The
friendship. You
emotions
know what
or
is this? Yeah.
yes, understanding. The ability to understand something.
Yes, ability to understand something. So contention is the only opposite word here. बाकी सब bondage, friendship, understanding ये सब एक ग्रुप में आता है. So इसका correct meaning, amity का एकदम correct meaning इसमें से क्या है? Communal amity.
Friendship.
So communal friendship. Yes, that is correct. Communal friendship is the correct option here. So C is the option. Next one. Aditya Suryavanshi, have you done something as the homework?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Vedant, read 42 beta.
Many species of animals have become extinct during the last 100 years.
Okay.
It means they are no longer in existence.
Yeah. They are no longer present in this earth. That is called extinct. Or disappeared. They are no longer alive. That is called as extinct.
Option of first is aggressive. It means angry or ready to likely attack. Second is non-existent, not real or present.
Yeah, not present is non-existent. Yes.
Scattered, spread far apart.
Scattered, spread far apart. Okay.
Feeble, lacking strength, occurring, found at intervals.
Okay. So which is the
Correct
best?
option is B. Second.
Yes. Non-existent. वो अभी नहीं है इस पृथ्वी पर. That is non-existent. So extinct. Okay. Get the pronunciation of that word. Extinct, which means non-existent. Okay. Extinct. Think that sound should come there. Extinct means non-existent. Okay, so what I'll do for all the other lazy bums, I'm going to give these things assigned again. Since you don't have time and mind to do it as homework, please do it right here. Aditya Suryavanshi, two questions I'm going to give you today. Okay, as a token of my appreciation for not doing the homework. Aditya Suryavanshi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Take question number 43 and 44 and start doing it fast. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tanishk,
Yes, ma'am.
45 and 46. What? Did you say something?
No, ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay, do it fast. Elroy, 47 and 48.
Okay, ma'am.
Vedant,
Yes, ma'am.
49 and 50.
Yes, ma'am.
Udhav,
Yes, ma'am.
51 and 52.
Okay, ma'am.
Shardul, not responding. Aditya Bingare,
Yes, ma'am.
53 and 54.
Yes, ma'am.
Vaibhav Ingle,
Ma'am, page number.
page number 466. Vaibhav Ingle,
Yes, ma'am.
55 and 56. Okay, beta? Vaibhav, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Dhanesh, 57 and 58. Okay? 57 and 58.
Ma'am, page number.
466. It's already been shared on the screen as well. Okay, I'm going to share it again. Those who don't have the text, it is there on the screen. Look in the screen.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please tell me again which question you assigned to me? I got confused.
45, 46.
47, 46.
Okay, I have given Aditya Suryavanshi ke liye, I have given 43 and 44.
Ma'am,
43 and 44 for Aditya Suryavanshi.
No, ma'am. 42, 43.
No, 42 already discussed in class, no?
Okay.
Just now discussed. Aditya Suryavanshi 43 and 44. Uske
Yes, ma'am.
baad Tanishq 45 and 46.
Okay, ma'am.
Elroy 47 and 48.
Yes, ma'am.
Now 49 and 50 किसका था? Aditya Bingare.
Aditya Bingare.
ma'am, 43 and 40, sorry, 53 and 54, ma'am.
So 49 and 50 किसका था? Shardul.
Ma'am, Vedant,
Shardul.
49 and 50.
49 and 50 Vedant. Very good. 51 and 52.
Ma'am, Uddhav.
Okay, Uddhav. 53 and 54 Aditya Bingare. Okay. 55 and 56. Is it Vaibhav's? 55 and 56 Vaibhav का है बेटा? I think so.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 57 and 58 Danesh. है ना बेटा? Danesh? 57 and 58 Danesh.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shardul? Only Shardul is not responding. Shardul, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Shardul, then do 59 and 60. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Last 2 minutes. Do it fast, everyone. Okay, let's start. Aditya, please discuss question number 43.
Yes, ma'am. Question number 42. Many species. 43, sorry, 43. True religion does not require one to pros-
Proselytize.
proselytize
Beta,
through guile or forces.
you say it once, proselytize.
Proselytize.
Okay. Now, what do you mean by
Here they mean
proselytize?
proselytize means convert into another religion.
Okay.
And meaning of guile is to harm, and force means to force. First option, translate. Translate means to turn one's language into another.
Yes, turn the
Second
language is
option,
basically mean as translate. Okay.
hypnotize. Hypnotize means to capture whole attraction or produce a state of hypnosis in someone's mind.
Yeah, you must have seen in films and all.
Yeah.
Hypnotize means make oneself go into a deep sleep and make them say the things from their subconscious mind and all those things. This process is known as hypnotize. So that is also one method of trying hard to make one person from deep from his subconscious to turn into something else. Okay, third option.
Third option is attack. It means taking aggressive action.
Yeah, aggressive action is attack. You know what do you mean by attack?
And the last option, convert. Convert means to change into or to change the form.
Okay, to
So
change from
here
one
the
thing to another.
most proper option is option D, to convert.
Yes, very good. Proselytize means to convert. Okay, to change from one true religion.
Yes, ma'am.
Force से some offer सब बोल के एक religion से दूसरा religion proselytize करने का जरूरी नहीं है. That is the best option here is convert. 44 also Aditya.
Yes, ma'am. That the plan is both inhuman and preposterous, needs no further proof. Inhuman means having, lacking of human qualities. Preposterous means contrary to reason or common sense.
Contrary to
Here,
reason of common sense, right? Preposterous
yes.
means, yeah.
Here first option, heartless. Heartless means lack of feeling.
Without any feeling से कुछ करते हैं तो उसको heartless हम बोलते हैं. Preposterous actually means एक उन्होंने कुछ comment दिया लेकिन वो बहुत preposterous था. It doesn't make any sense. उसका comment हमारा समस्या को कुछ connection भी नहीं था. कुछ भी बोलते हैं हम. ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, कुछ भी बोलते हैं. That kind of things are known as preposterous. It doesn't make any sense or connection. Okay, that is called as preposterous. Yeah. So heartless means without an emotion or without heart. Impractical means?
Impractical means treating all rivals equally.
Okay, impractical in the sense, okay, just consider a situation whether everybody is in a samasya, everybody is in a situation or is in a problem and somebody needs to give good options to eradicate that problem. So कुछ persons ने कुछ solution दिया लेकिन वो बहुत heartless है because इसमें कुछ emotions नहीं है, उसमें कुछ things heart से कुछ feelings नहीं है इसमें, so we cannot take this. Some people give impractical. Impractical means they have brought some solution लेकिन वो practical नहीं है because वो करने के लिए नहीं हो जाता है. It's not practical to do in this situation. Okay. Then absurd. Absurd means?
Widely unreasoned.
हाँ, absurd is mostly like preposterous. Some people ने कुछ advice दिया लेकिन that doesn't make any sense. What is the difference between impractical and absurd? Impractical means उनका solution बहुत बढ़िया है लेकिन ये situation में ये करना impossible है. That is called impractical. वो practical नहीं है. दूसरों absurd मतलब क्या है? उन्होंने भी कुछ solutions दिया लेकिन उसके लिए कुछ संबंध नहीं है, वो कुछ sense नहीं दे रहे. That kind of things are known as absurd. It's mostly like preposterous. Fourth one?
Abnormal.
हाँ.
It means not in a normal condition or
yes,
in the
that
world.
is पागल लोग हम normal बोलते हैं. So कुछ भी बोलते हैं और that sounds like a pagal log's advice. So that is abnormal, impractical, heartless, and absurd. So which is the best option for preposterous?
Absurd.
Absurd. Very good. Absurd means it doesn't make any
Absurd
sense.
option C.
Okay. I hope everybody
Yes,
understood. Preposterous means absurd. Doesn't make any sense. उन्होंने कुछ दिया लेकिन वो idea कुछ sense ही नहीं बना रहे. Okay, that is called absurd or preposterous. Good. So Aditya, I'm going to give you two more things for tomorrow. Okay, if I not discuss now, otherwise at the end of the class, I will not be able to get. So you need to take question number 61 and 62 for tomorrow. Did you hear that better? Aditya,
ma'am.
question number 61
ma'am.
and 62, please do it for tomorrow. As जैसे भूलना मत.
Yes,
61 and 62, Aditya will do. Okay, fine. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanishq 45 discuss करो बेटा अभी.
Yes, ma'am. The attitude of the Western countries towards the third world countries is rather callous, to say the least.
Okay, that word is pronounced as callous. Okay, callous नहीं है, callous. बोलो callous.
Callous.
Okay.
So the
Callous means
meaning
very.
of showing insensitiveness for others.
आपको क्या बोलता है अब नए शूज ओके आई गिव यू अ लिटरल मीनिंग ऑफ कैलस कैलस मींस हार्ड हो गया दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कैलस हम नए शूज और उसको हम कैलस बोलते हैं बॉडी में आप नया कुछ करते हैं तो फर्स्ट टाइम साइकिलिंग करते हैं तो आपका स्किन में द स्किन बिकम्स हार्डन इन दैट पार्ट है ना समटाइम्स आप बहुत सारा इस वो हैंड से करते हैं तो हैंड में कैलस आता है आपको समझ में आया व्हाट कैलस इज आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू विल से इन हिंदी और मराठी कैलस आता है ओके कैलस मींस बहुत काम एक हाथ से करते हैं तो वो हाथ में दैट पर्टिकुलर रीजन विल बिकम लिटिल हार्ड okay that is the literal meaning of callus becoming hard okay because of the continuous usage so ऐसे कुछ आपका शरीर में ऐसे आते हैं तो होता है I am doing lot of farm work so holding the axe made my hands callous okay I have doing lot of carpentry so holding the tools made my heart callous made my hands callous I am wearing the shoes for the first time so that shoes का वो rubbing part is giving me shoe bite के बारे में नहीं बोल रहे मैंने it will give some callus the skin will become roughened and it will become like a swelling that is called callus and after some time skin will peel off from there so that is the literal meaning of callus I just want you to know that health application here callus means becoming hard hearted okay callous means उनको कुछ सेंसिटिविटी नहीं है दूसरों को सिचुएशन देके भी उनको मन में कुछ इमोशंस नहीं आता है ऐसे वाले दिल को हम बोलते हैं पत्थर जैसे दिल है ना दैट इज नोन एज callous हाँ now tell Tanishq
Yes, ma'am. First option is passive. Passive means accepting what happens without any active response.
yes without any active response is called passive
Yes.
हाँ चलता है मेरे को क्या है ऐसे ऐसे चलता है दैट इज कॉल्ड पैसिव बिहेवियर विदाउट बीइंग एक्टिव ओके नेक्स्ट
Second is unkind, which is harsh, something harsh for others.
यस बीइंग अनकाइंड मींस व्हाट कुछ दया का ड्रॉप उनके जिंदगी और वर्ड्स में नहीं है दैट इज कॉल्ड अनकाइंड थर्ड ऑप्शन
Cursed. Cursed means irritation.
कर्स
And fourth,
श्राप दैट बर्थडे ओके
yes,
दूसरों को कर्स देते हैं श्राप देता है फाइन
the fourth
Fourth one?
unfeel.
हाँ कोई इमोशंस कुछ नहीं है अभी मैंने बोला ना पत्थर
Yes,
जैसा
ma'am.
दिल
Yes,
सो
ma'am.
I think
So,
that's the best option, no?
yes,
For
ma'am.
callous.
Yes, ma'am. Correct option
So
is
callous means
unfeel.
hard-hearted, unfeeling, without any feelings. Okay, next one also, Tanishq.
Whatever the verdict of history may be, Chaplin will occupy a unique place in its pages.
हाँ.
So, your
Chaplin.
verdict
Here, which
means
Chaplin? Charlie Chaplin. Okay, Charlie
yes, ma'am.
Chaplin के बारे में बताता है. Charlie Chaplin आपको सब पता है. One of the historic comedian he was. So, verdict. Verdict का meaning क्या है?
a decision on an issue in an civil or a criminal case.
Yes. A decision, a final judgment is known as verdict. फाइनली हम
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसे कंक्लूड करेंगे इसको बोलते हैं हम वर्डिक्ट सो चार्ली चैपलिन के बारे में कुछ लोग अच्छा बोलते हैं कुछ लोग बुरा बोलते हैं कुछ लोग को पसंद है कुछ लोग को ना पसंद है कुछ भी हो वर्डिक्ट मींस फाइनल डिसीजन कुछ भी हो सबको चार्ली चैप एक यूनिक जगह एक स्पेशल जगह सबके दिल में चार्ली चैपलिन को है ही इज अ वेरी स्पेशल पर्सन इन it doesn't matter what verdict he has, but he has a special place in everybody's heart. So verdict means the final
Yes,
conclusion or a decision about someone or something. Fine. Abhi, options
So,
bolo beta.
first is judgment, which is to come in a sensible conclusion.
Yeah, that is something like verdict. Verdict is nothing but a judgment. सबने decide करके सब करके finally एक judgment में आया, एक conclusion में आया. That is called judgment. Next.
Second is voice, which is a sound produced by a person.
Sound produced by a person is the literal meaning of voice. Sometimes we also say this voice as a like a metaphor or some a deeper meaning. You should make your voice heard. मतलब क्या है? You should make your voice heard. मतलब आपने शोर शोर चिल्लाना है. ये नहीं है. आपना कुछ comment और आपने or some कुछ बोलते हैं तो it has to be heard by someone. Okay, that is called
Yes,
voice. So voice is not just आवाज, आपका suggestions भी sometimes can be your voice. You should voice your feelings. मतलब अब बोलना है, that is can also be your voice. Okay, option C.
outcome. It outcome means it is a way a thing turns out.
Finally, how it turns out is known as outcome. इसका outcome result बोलता है हम. इसका result है outcome.
Yes.
Fine. Last.
The fourth is prediction, which means a forecast.
Prediction forecast. The best example is weather forecast. Kal, there will be very much rain. That is a prediction. We don't know for sure, but we are just assuming.
Yes,
That is called prediction. So which is the best meaning for verdict here?
Ma'am,
Judgment.
judgment.
Correct. I hope everybody understood. With the discussions, you must have understood. The final conclusion or final judgment on something is known as verdict. And dear Tanish, tomorrow when you come, you will do question number 63 and 64 as well. Please mark it.
Okay.
63
ma'am.
and 64, Tanishq will do. Okay, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Elroy, question number 47.
Yes, ma'am. He corroborated the statement of his brother. Corroborated means to confirm or to support the statement.
Okay, corroborated means to confirm or to support. वो हम बोलते हैं ना, some report बोलने के बाद हम बोलते हैं somebody has to pass it and somebody has to second it. No, second means what? मैंने pass किया कुछ, so मैंने pass किया वाला report somebody has to support and second it. Second means उन्होंने क्या बोला वो सही है. Such kind of confirmation is known as corroboration. बोलो बेटा.
First option A means confirmed. It means that state of assurance.
Yes,
To assure-
assure किया. हाँ, वो सही है. That is called confirmed. Second?
The second option, hello?
Yes, beta, बोलो.
The second option, disproved means to prove something false.
So that is kind of a opposite here. उन्होंने क्या बोला उसको condemn is the opposite of congratulate. ऐसे ही मन में फीड करो. It's the easy way to understand its meaning fast. ऐसे आप फीड करते हैं तो जल्दी उसका मीनिंग समझ में आ जाता है. Condemn is the opposite of congratulate. Okay? Congratulate करने के लिए opposite है condemn. Because congratulate, you know the feelings. To appreciate someone, उसको अच्छा condemn. So you are finding a fault in him and you are saying that yes, sahi nahi hai, wo sahi nahi. So just the opposite of congratulate is content. I hope you understood. Last one.
Seconded means to support formally or express agreement.
I told what seconded is when I said. So seconded is support and to express in a publicly I am supporting someone. If Elroy tells a statement, I am getting up and saying that I second what Elroy has said. Matlab kya hai? I totally agree with what Elroy has said. So, which is corroborated ka exact meaning, Elroy?
Ma'am, I guess option A because it is confirmed.
Yes, confirmed. Because the literal meaning is confirmed, so it is corroborated meaning is confirmed. Seconded is a form in which we can corroborate something. Okay, understand the difference? Seconded is the way in which you can corroborate something. समझ में आया?
Yes.
Corroborate करते हैं तो corroborated करने के लिए हम second करते हैं. So to confirm some things, we will second it. Okay,
Yes.
so that is how the meaning goes. And 48. Elroy.
Whatever option he gave is sane. Gives is sane.
Maybe we have heard the word insane so much. Insane means pagal.
Yes.
Insane means it doesn't make any sense. So sane is just the opposite
Sensible.
of pagal, like not just pagal. Sane means in a very good and wise mind. है ना?
Yes, advisable or sensible.
Sensible. That is the best of sane. Now rational.
Rational means
Sane
able to think sensibly or logically.
Exactly. Best logical and sensible thinking is known as rational and इसका opposite है irrational. Rational means बहुत बुद्धि से और बहुत ध्यान से एक best decision, sensible decision लिया, उस decision को हम बोलते हैं rational decision. So that's it. And this obscure means
Obscure means not important or not well known.
okay, not well known, obscure, not important. It's a obscure method, so you don't have to take it. Sometimes you will say that it's not very important. Yeah.
Wild means non-civilized or unpopulated
Yeah.
or
Sorry. Don't think
uninhabited.
that wild means only wild animals or jungle के बारे में नहीं. Wild means not civilized. He took a very wild decision. मतलब एक sophisticated नहीं है, cultured नहीं है, civilized person ऐसे decision नहीं देता है. That is called as wild. Mannerless. Arrogant.
Arrogant means not humble or boastful.
Not humble but boastful. हाँ. Okay. बहुत ये घमंड करते हैं. That is called as arrogance. Okay. So sane का best option here is it's very clear. Rational.
Rational. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And Elroy, tomorrow when you come, you need to do question number 65 and 66. Please mark it
Okay, ma'am.
right now. 65 and 66, Elroy will do.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Vedant,
Yes, ma'am.
49 and 50.
Yes, ma'am. The story is to be fantastic to be credible. Credible.
Credible.
Means
Bolo? Credible.
credible.
हाँ.
It means able to be believed.
हाँ, yes.
Option
Believable.
of
Like
first.
वो believe करने के लिए too good है, too fantastic है, इतना अच्छा है, ये सच है, वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. That is called as believable or credible. Second one.
Option of
False.
first is believable, able to be. Second is false. Not according with truth.
Yeah, false, true or false, and all. You know what false is? Not correct, not right.
Third is readable, means able to read.
Okay.
Fourth is praiseworthy, deserving approval.
हाँ, बहुत एकदम बढ़िया है. That is called praiseworthy. So credible story means what?
Able to
Too
believe.
fantastic
means
to be
option of first.
credible. हाँ, believe करने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल है, इतना अच्छा है. So believable is the correct option. Okay. So this credible word always, it shows your credibility. हमेशा you will come across this word. It shows your credibility means what? आप trustworthy है क्या? आपको भरोसा रखना के लिए आप में कुछ भरोसा रखता है क्या? That is the meaning of credibility. It's something I associated with आपके ऊपर भरोसा रखता है. That is called as credibility. You are a credible person means आपको कुछ job देते हैं तो आप अच्छा से करते हैं. That is your credibility. Okay. आपको विश्वास करने योग्य एक व्यक्ति है क्या? That is the meaning of credible. Fine. 50th question, beta.
50. Catching snakes can be hazardous for people
Yes.
untrained in
Hazardous
the art.
हमेशा आप chemical reagents or chemical this big tanker truck and all goes and इसमें हमेशा आप ये word देखता है hazardous, highly inflammable, hazardous substance. So what do you mean by hazardous? Dangerous.
Risky or dangerous.
Yes. Okay. And I think the option is right there in option D. Dangerous means hazardous. बहुत risky. Tricky means क्या है? Option A, tricky.
Requiring care or skill.
हाँ, tricky means requires skill. Okay. And be
Yes.
harmful means?
Causing, likely to cause harm.
हाँ, see, these are the words which can bring you confusion. Hazardous means harmful है या dangerous है. So this is how it comes to confusion. But here क्या करना है? ऐसे सोच करना है. Harmful substance भी क्या होता है ultimately? Dangerous होता है. So सबसे अच्छा word dangerous है because harmful is included in the word dangerous. कैसे substance dangerous होता है? Harmful substance है, इसलिए वो dangerous है. So hazardous means dangerous.
Third is difficult.
Yes, difficult means
Needing much effort or skill.
needing much effort is known as. Okay, so hazardous best option is dangerous.
Dangerous.
Okay, and beta, tomorrow when you come, please do question number 67 and 68. Vedant, 67 and 68. Okay.
Yes.
Have you
नहीं,
taken the
I taken the
screenshot of you
screenshot.
have it?
कल
है ना,
के
कल का screenshot में है. Okay, fine. Okay, very good. Coming to question number 51, Uthaf.
Yes, ma'am. Democracy is
Well,
not standardizing of everyone's choice,
so as to obliterate
all
peculiarity. The sentence sounds so
peculiarities.
Okay, sentence sounds sort of tough. Democracy is not the standardizing of every so as to obliterate all peculiarity. So as to obliterate democracy, by the people, for the people, of the people, that is called as democracy. Democracy means everybody को standardize करके obliterate peculiarity. उसका peculiarity नहीं है, सब इक्वल है, सबको हावी करना है, ऐसा नहीं है. Obliterate का मीनिंग क्या है? निकल जैसे. अब बोल obliterate का मीनिंग को आपको क्या मिला?
Ma'am, obliterate means wipe out.
Yes, wipe out. निकालना मैंने बोला ना, so something like that. निकालना. सब ये करके erase करके. हाँ.
And demolish. Demolish means to destroy. Usually we use demolish
Yeah, demolish means
in destroy buildings or that.
yes, exactly. Very good. You yourself. Demolish is a word which was there पहले, लेकिन हमने वो अंत किया. That is called destroy or demolish a building or something. Okay, so that cannot be taken for obliterate. Moving to second option, extinguish is a fire. It's a word we will use exclusively for the word fire. आपने हमेशा देखा fire extinguisher. Fire को हम extinguish करते हैं ना बेटा. So क्या है extinguish?
Yes, ma'am. It's,
Uda? Extinguish means unkarna. Okay, especially it puts away, puts off. That is the meaning of extinguish, to put off. And karna, stop karna. That is the meaning of extinguish, and it's always used with the word fire. Fire को हम stop ने करते तो उसको हम बोलते हैं fire extinguisher. So extinguish means to put off or to stop. Third meaning.
yes, ma'am.
Erase.
Erase means wipe out.
Wipe out. Okay, so it is so much related to the word obliterate.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, change.
Yes, yes.
What is the meaning of change? So the best meaning, obliterate, the best option is?
Erase.
Erase, option C. So obliterate, erase. And beta, tomorrow when you come, please do question number 69 as well. I'm saying you in advance. Question number 69. Okay, beta?
16. Yes, ma'am.
69. आपने देखा? हाँ, 69 भी करके आओ आप. And your 52 question भी बोल के हम wind up करेंगे. 52, बोलो उद्धव.
Divine grace is
Divine grace
truly
is
infallible. Truly infallible.
ineffable.
Ineffable.
Flavor नहीं है. Ineffable. Very good. Ineffable. Ineffable क्या है?
Means related to God, too great. Or adhyatmic. Like
Divine means related to God. Words में हमको describe नहीं करता है. Okay, some things we cannot even
too
describe.
great.
Describe का मतलब, हाँ, it is too great to describe. हम हमारे little वजन और बातचीत में उनको हम describe करना अवर्णनीय, and all you will say no, अवर्णनीय. That is called ineffable.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we fail to express. It is so great हमारे words में वो fail to express it. That is called ineffable. Let's see the options. Describable is opposite to it. Describable means हाँ हम describe करते हैं. That is the meaning of describable.
Yes.
वर्णन करते हैं. That is describable. B.
Spiritual.
Spiritual. So spiritual is not that connected to ineffable. Spiritual things ineffable है, लेकिन वो meaning spiritual उधर related to spirit.
Ma'am, spiritual
Now,
means
option C क्या है?
means
बोलो बेटा.
जो गॉड को मानते हैं वो.
Yes, God को मानते हैं, उनको बोलते हैं spiritual. हाँ.
Then indescribable.
Describable. Describable.
Means
बोलो,
yes.
उधर बोलो indescribable.
Indescribable. Ma'am, means the things which not able to
Okay.
describe.
Something like ineffable. Finally, nameless.
Yes. Then, ma'am, I didn't got that.
Nameless means उनको कुछ नाम वगैरह, उनको no specialty है, कुछ बोलने के लिए कुछ नहीं है, उनका नाम भी नहीं है. That is called unknown. That is the meaning of nameless. Okay, unknown. So ineffable means not unknown. Ineffable means describable, because describable is just opposite to ineffable. So the best option here is option C, indescribable. हम बोलने नहीं आता है. That is called ineffable. इतना बड़ा है परमेश्वर or something like that. Ineffable is
Yes,
indescribable. That's it. Resistance 3. I think 53 is Aditya Bingare. So from tomorrow first 3, we will discuss it from here till 69. Okay, that's it. See you all tomorrow. Don't forget to attend tomorrow's class. See you. Bye. God bless.